Hello Makale. In this video we are going to clean my room. See, this is my room right now. Oh, full of coupes. Let's clean this room. I love to keep my room clean, but for a lot of times I didn't keep that. It was so dirty now, so I want to clean. First I'm going to allow the sunlight into my room because my windows are always closed. Now I understood that it is very bad one, so now I'm going to make that place clean. Hey, book slab, swine. Hello Makale. See, this is the only one photo frame of me in my house. I want to keep it somewhere special. Okay, let's continue that work. See Makale, I found a cockroach. Americana periplantana. See, there is lot of insects and all. This carom I bought, but even a day I didn't play with this carom. very unlucky carom board. I just now planned to make some artwork using this carom. Let's see. I think that will be in some other video. Now another big work came to us. We want to move this Shoba into the. This is a place of the stand. See, now that place was so clean because of this. Okay, let's move the Shoba. I trying to make some my room special and some interior designing. Let's see how it was coming. See, from outside that is just a soba. From inside that is a big bureau carrying this and all. Okay, let's change that. I think now the biggest work is in that. See this bat. This bat shows how I am. Fab I know this history. To know this, check my New Year with Black video. At last there will be a playlist. Check that. My favorite chair since childhood, it's with me. The only one since childhood with me. I take this bag and put all these things, waste things. I try to make no waste things. This keys and all just going to be wastes. So let's clean that. We first move the all dust into the single places. Then only it will be easy for a mom to take it out. So moving all dust into the corner. I think now I let the sun to enter into my room. Now my first plan was okay. First idea was okay. We want just to clean this and all and make this something useful. And we want to arrange my slab also. See that. Let's do one by one. It would be a big day. See how nice artwork is this. Now this is going to help that screen. One kind advice for you. Please don't kept anything close in your room. Because if you kept anything close inside that, lot of things will be stoked. So I'm going to remove this now. Now down it would be clean. After cleaning it would be clean, man. Makale, now I am changing the frameworks here. See, now I plan to make some family heart there. Okay, let's try some artwork we can do on that place. See, we made this one. Awesome. One. Okay, let's do next work. I love books more than books. I love to learn, but loving is dangerous. Giving me a lot of work. See. Let first arrange this and all. This no on down book. Everybody have experience with this guide, but nobody used this guide. We are all bought this for a prestige. Yes, every area has a salesman. We bought this book, but I never opened this book itself. Very useful, but we are not using this, man. See, now I got one nice book. I try to read this. On seeing this book itself, it was so attractive. Lot and lot, I have made you this in a 2 speed, and even in that also so much of books. So I skip this.
Okay, finally after the 6 hours of hard work, we have done this. First I will show what are the changes we made and the small artworks we made and the decorations we made. First, a big change is we moved the shelf there and the book stand here, and we arranged this right stand here and my book stand, and I show you that I'm going to read this book. So I made this here and this one I set up. And next, the book stand. First, we see that. I just arranged this. This is my old mic that is not working now. So I arranged it like this. That is my grandfather's. And this one, a lamp setup. And pen, lot of pens I have. And lot of, you know that blue whale is a big inspirating animal. And a pen with my headset, and you can see this. Using the Bista, we made this art, one fine nice art was made using this Bista on this 4 side. On this side I make this as a pen stand, and our sofa, and here one art. And a big sofa and a small one. We have made like this, and this bag is specially bought from Indonesia during my father's Indonesia trip. There from Bali, this bag was bought, so we kept it here. And this nice one wall hanging, we have changed that before, you can see that. Now we changed that, and a small band, you can see that one nice small art and a mat. And here we have made this art, looks very nice. No, we have made this before itself, this and all we have made. Now just we arranged this, and this one unexpectedly we have got this heart, because we have made this for some other work. We made this for a lamp work. Now it become nice heart for our room. And center of that a nice rising sun. And we have changed this to friends and a family frame. And Lord Ganesha's one. And old art of me. During my childhood days, I used to draw like this arts. And this Ganesha and this China also specially bought from Indonesia of this cities and all the original stones bought from the Indonesias. And this nice artwork. I think I am showing my shadow. And this is my cupboard. I make you a separate cupboard too. And this is our stand and our camera. And this fine. And this is the last one we have made the art. I made this before 3 years. This was a nice pickup made by the cooling one. And my name board. This also bought from Bali. That was my room tour. See how we arranged that. Did you like this tour? Comment please. And if you are interested in my slab tour, say that in a comment. Thank you. Bye bye.